How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Open your Facebook and left side corner you can see the marketplace. If you don't see, just press on see on, then you can see your marketplace. Press on marketplace, then here you can see the create new listing. Now item for sale or home for sale vehicle, or I want to sell a phone. That's why I am selecting this option. Now add some photo. I'm selecting the photo. Press on open. Now it's loading. Now select your title, price, and category. Select your category and condition like new or used or good, and then select your phone number. Then here you can see the image. You can drag and drop like that. Sorry, or set like that. Once all done, then here you can see the description.